What's going on, everyone? It's Jacqueline here from NothingButTech. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're checking out a kit of my essentials. Like, when I'm not taking my backpack, I'm taking this because it has a lot of core things that I need, tech essentials. It's gonna be a really good one. I'm excited. So let's just dive right in. But what you guys should know is I'm gonna try to link everything that I talk about in this video in the description. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment. But get it into the bag. It's a really good one. I'm excited. I've been working on making this work for me for a while, and this bag kind of completed the entire thing. So this bag is from GoPro. I've been testing out their latest GoPro Hero 7 lately. The stabilization is kind of excellent. I used it a bunch in Europe, and I'm also used it in a lot of places where I can't use a different camera. I can just place that camera down and go. I'm going to be doing a car review in a couple weeks. It's going to come in clutch during that. So this case came with it. If I can find this exact case online, I'm going to link a similar one below. Hopefully I can find this one though, because it's great. It has this nice blue accent. It's the perfect size. All right, so that's the case, but let's dive right into it. Okay, so when you're in the case, you have a divider and a zipper up top. I'm going to start out with what's in the actual thing. So of course, we have the GoPro Hero 7. So this is what I was just talking about. It's the Hero 7 Black. It has a much improved stabilization system. It could be mounted in a lot of different places. And it also works really well for 4K video. So I use it a lot. The microphone is a little bit improved. It's kind of like this ultimate, get everything done that you need to, great camera option. So this is just kind of what I keep in here if I need a camera that's not my phone, just to get something done. It always stays in this kit. In the top compartment for that, I have this micro SD card adapter. And basically with this, you can put in a micro SD card and it will make it so I can read it in my computer. We all hate when you are not able to read something, you just want to get your footage and you just can't. And this kind of acts as a way to just do that. I just keep it in the kit. It's like an extra one. I have a couple of them. So that just always stays in the top. The GoPro Hero 7 uses a micro SD card, so it's kind of essential. Next up, hope I don't get made fun of in the comments for this one, it's the Apple AirPods. So I'm in a review about a year ago on these, and I said, hey, you probably shouldn't buy them. They're my $160 mistake. And now I've been using them, and I'm not gonna lie, I actually kind of love them. So I came back, I did a revisited video, and the main thing that they have going for them is convenience. So I'm able to use these with my iPhone and my MacBook Pro seamlessly, and since I use both an iPhone and an Android phone, they're kind of just something that I can always use, plus they pair with Android devices as well. They're really convenient in the carrying case, they sound decent, they have a really long battery life, and they're just good, they're convenient. Also, they've been out for a long time, but now they're recently becoming a meme online. I don't really get that. It's kind of weird that it just happened out of nowhere. But anyways, I like them. They stay in the kit. They're pretty essential. I have a couple of them now. They're easy to lose. Disadvantage of them, but I have this dope pair that was customized by Colorware, and that's blue and pink. And then I just have the standard dental floss white case. Next item in this bag was recommended by my good friend Justin from DroneWorks, and it is this awesome portable battery. So the little story behind this is that I used to have this raw power battery, and it was a 9,000 milliamp power battery that worked really well. It had an AC adapter, and it had the lightning cable, and it was kind of great because you only needed that and you could charge it in the wall, but then also charge your phone. And then they just discontinued it, and their new one doesn't have the cable built in. So I tweeted hey, I'm in desperate need of this, and my good friend Justin came and hooked it up. So this is actually a better one. It doesn't feel as nice as the raw POW. The material feels a little cheap, just the coating that they used. But it has 3 cables and a larger capacity, I think. So it has a USB Type-C, a micro USB, and a lightning cable all in here, plus an AC adapter, plus a USB port. It's pretty essential. It has an LED indicator on the front. I have 3 or 4 of these now. They're just an item that I literally take with me everywhere. I'm constantly using my devices. I'm constantly forgetting to charge things My batteries are always running low, so this definitely comes in clutch just having it in the kit. Another thing that comes in clutch, not as exciting, but it's this dongle. So I'm on the MacBook Pro, and that means that I'm on that dongle life. They switched to USB Type-C or Thunderbolt 3 in the USB Type-C format, and that means that we're kind of screwed out of ports. So we need to bring them back. This adapter does it. It is HDMI. It has USB Type-C, so you don't lose the port that you're plugging into, and it has 3 USB Type-A's and an SD card slot. So I was just recently at Cornell teaching in their communications class, and I needed to hook up my computer to the projector. Of course, MacBook Pro doesn't have any of those ports. This came in clutch. I was able to use HDMI. So definitely a must-have if you have a MacBook Pro, and it's the most durable one that I found. Plus, it also lights up so you know when it's on. It's just a great piece. It's on Amazon. I think almost all these items are on Amazon. And then the last item that I keep in here is a much less exciting item, but it's an essential, and it's just batteries. So these are Amazon Basic AA batteries. And you always need batteries, and you find yourself, like when you're on a set for something, when you ask someone, hey, do you have batteries? The answer is almost definitely no. That's always a bummer, and you also seem like a maniac that you're just like running up to random people asking for AA batteries. So these are pretty essential. I just keep 2 of them in the bag at all times, and if I ever use them, then I just replenish them for the next shoot. They're Amazon Basics. Honestly, any batteries work. I also have these Duracell batteries. I just keep them. My audio recorder uses them. A lot of devices still use AA batteries. Just keep them in the kit. Really simple. So that's it. That was your quick look at what I'm taking with me almost on a daily basis when I'm not using my backpack. And even if I am using my backpack, then this goes into my backpack. I just zip it up and we are good to go. And everything fits in here pretty smoothly, so I never really have an issue with that. It all just zips up. And then this just gets thrown in the bag. It has a little bit of padding. That's it. I want to see what you guys keep with you every day if you're going to replicate this kit. I got this idea from my good friend Judner from Your Average Consumer. His video is awesome. You should go check that out next. But this is just like a simplified version of that, something lightweight and something that I can just take with me. I can also just leave it in my car if I wanted to as well, if I'm bringing my car on the shoot. Anyways, that's it. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. We have a lot of S10 content. I know a ton of people are asking when the S10 review is coming. If it's not already up, it's coming soon. Subscribe right here so you don't miss that. Check another video right here. Camera comparisons are also on the way, so be sure to stay tuned. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.